there, I'm Jenny, and this is Casey, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This is part of our Head Over Meals Challenge, where we're sharing weekly challenges to help you eat better in the new year.
Yes, and today's challenge is to try a better for you frozen food.
And we love frozen foods. There's so many great options out there.
There are so many, and they're super convenient, which is a win in my book.
Definitely.
There's lots of different options, like you said, that taste awesome. So really great way to incorporate different fruits and vegetables into your diet.
Yes, and we love frozen fruits and vegetables because it's like hitting Mother Nature's pause button.
Yes.
These are picked at their peak ripeness, and then they're immediately processed and frozen. So when you get it, it's just like the day they were picked.
Love it. So lots of different ways to incorporate frozen foods into your diet for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For breakfast, I think a really popular way is to have frozen fruit, whether you're adding that in a smoothie or topping your pancakes or waffles, or even just stirring it into your oatmeal.
Definitely. And for lunch, we love bringing leftovers from dinner the night before and just rounding that out with some frozen vegetables. We've got awesome steamable options even, or some whole grains.
Yes, really simple ways. For dinner, we have actually a better for you frozen pizza section, which is really fun. They incorporate lots of fun ingredients, like this one has a broccoli cauliflower crust. So again, ways to get those fruits and veggies in your diet. And then, kind of like you mentioned earlier, we have lots of different veggie options. So we've got like spiralized veggies, mashed veggies, riced veggies. So really lots of great ways to get frozen foods, fruits and vegetables especially, in your diet.
Definitely. And then there are some days where you just need a frozen meal. You need something quick and easy. So when you're looking at frozen meals, there are so many great options out there, but look for something that has 600 milligrams of sodium or less.
Yes. All right. So go out there. Good luck incorporating frozen foods into your diet, and we're excited to see what you come up with.